जी स्टूडेंट्स, ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਆਈਡੀਅਲਸ। ਸਾਡਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਰਿੰਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਆਈਡੀਅਲਸ। ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਆਈਡੀਅਲ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ? ਸਪੋਜ਼ R be a ring and S be a subring of R, let A B are elements of ring, then we define A is right congruent to B modulo B modulo S, जिसमें ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ A is congruent to B modulo S if and only if A minus B belongs to S and A minus B into R also belongs to S, where R is an element of ring R. A is left congruent to B modulo S, that is A is congruent to B modulo S left. R stands for right, L for left. If and only if A minus B belongs to S and R, ਅਸੀਂ R multiply कर रहे हैं right ते, R into A minus B belongs to S, where R is an element of ring. A is congruent to B modulo S if A is इसमें मैं लिखेंगे if and only if A is the both right and left congruent to B modulo S. Then right congruence modulo is subring S is an equivalence relation on the elements of R. R is a ring. Suppose ABC elements of ring, रिफ्लैक्सिविटी आप चेक करांगे पहला, क्योंकि साडा कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का रिलेशन है A माइनस A belongs to S and A minus B into R belongs to S and R into A minus B belongs to S for left and right congruency. क्योंकि A minus A belongs to which is 0 belongs to S, क्योंकि S एक सब रिंग है, सब रिंग दे विच 0 आएगा, तो दिस मीन्स आल्सो A minus A into R, यानी कि 0 into R is equal to 0, which also belongs to S for every S. Therefore A is a left congruent to A modulo S. Similarly A is right modulo S and similarly left modulo S. तो दोनों लेफ्ट ਤੇ राइट कॉन्ग्रुएंट मोड्यूलो ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ कॉन्ग्रुएंस रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, देयरफॉर दिस रिलेशन इज रिफ्लेक्सिव. नेक्स्ट है सिमेट्रिक. लेट A is congruent to right congruent to B modulo S, that implies A minus B belongs to S and A minus B into R belongs to S for every element of R. क्योंकि A minus B belongs to S and S is a subring, therefore negative of this element also belongs to S and negative of minus यानी कि A minus B into R also belongs to S. इसमें ऊपर लिख सकते हैं B minus A belongs to S, B minus A into R belongs to S, therefore B is congruent to R modulo A modulo S. तो रिलेशन की होगा सिमेट्रिक. नेक्स्ट है A is congruent to R modulo right modulo B S and B is congruent to C modulo S. This means A minus B belongs to S, A minus B into R belongs to S, also B minus C belongs to S and B minus C into R belongs to S. ਅਸੀਂ ਐਡ ਕਰੀਏ ਦੋਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ, A minus B plus B minus C also belongs to S and A minus B into R plus B minus C into R belongs to S. तो ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ B कैंसिल हो गया, A minus C belongs to S and AR minus CR belongs to, that is A minus C into R belongs to S. Therefore R is congruent to C modulo S. Therefore a relation of right congruence modulo S is equivalence relation. Similarly we can prove the relation of left congruence modulo S, which is also an equivalence relation. If S is subring of R such that for any element A of S and R of R ring, AR also belongs to S, then for each element X of R, the subset X plus S which contains the elements of type X plus S, where S belongs to capital S, is the equivalence class for the relation of right congruency modulo S. Or for every X element of R, X plus S is an equivalence class for the relation of right congruency modulo S. Then for AR belongs to S, A belongs to S and R belongs to R. S की है सब रिंग है R दा, गिवन की है कि AR belongs to S for every A element of S and R element of ring R. For all X element of R, L, this is the equivalence class of X. It contains all the elements of ring Y of R such that Y is congruent to X, right congruent to X modulo S. For all Y belongs to L, Y की होएगा congruence relation होएगा between Y and X modulo S. This means Y minus X belongs to S and Y, this means ਅਸੀਂ इसमें तो ले जा सकते हैं y belongs to x plus s. ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ L ਹੈ ਇਕੁਵਲੈਂਸ ਕਲਾਸ ਇਹ ਸਬਸੈਟ ਹੈ x plus s ਦੀ. ਅਗੇਨ z for every element of x plus s, z minus x belongs to s, and also for r element of ring z minus r x into r belongs to s, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪ੍ਰੂਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ S एक सब रिंग है, R एक रिंग है, तो दिस रिलेशन होल्ड्स, दैट इज Z इज राइट congruence modulo congruous X modulo S. This means Z belongs to L. This means X plus L is X plus S is a subset of L. दोनों ਅਸੀਂ कंडीशन ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਾ ਦਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ X plus S will be equal to L, which is equivalence class of X. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਕਨਵਰਸ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਫॉर एवरी x एलिमेंट ऑफ अ रिंग, if x plus s is equivalence class of x, for the relation of right congruence modulo s, then 0 plus s also belongs to is equal to s. This means for every a element of s, a is the right congruent modulo s, congruence 0 modulo s. This means a minus 0 into r belongs to s for every r element of ring, that is AR belongs to S for every r element of ring R, and therefore AR belongs to S. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਈਡੀਅਲ ਦੀ ਡੈਫੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ. A non-empty subset I of R ring R is called a left ideal of ring R if for every AB element of I, A minus B belongs to I, and for each A element of I and R element of ring R, RA also belongs to I, then I is called right ideal of ring R, left ideal. I is called right ideal of ring R if for every element AB belongs to I, A minus B also belongs to I, for every A element of I and R element of ring R, AR also belongs to I. I is called a two-sided ideal or simply an ideal of R if I is both left and as well as right ideal. That is AB belongs to I means A minus B must belong to I, and for each element of A of I and R of ring R, RA belongs to I and also AR also belongs to I. When ring is a commutative ring, then there is no distinction between left as well as right ideal. Commutative ring ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ R is equal to AR ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, therefore left ਤੇ right ideal same ਹੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ. An ideal I of ring R is a subring of R, but converse may not be true. That is a subring may not be an ideal. Every ideal एक subring ਹੁੰਦਾ है, but हर एक subring ideal नहीं होएगा. क्योंकि I is an ideal of R, this means A minus B belongs to I for every AB element of I, and RA and AR also belongs to I for every A element of I and R element of ring R. क्योंकि A ਤੇ B I ਦੇ कोई भी elements नहीं, then B belongs to I implies B belongs to R, क्योंकि I ideal है, therefore A into B from the closure property also belongs to I, so I is a subring of R. But converse need not to be true, a subring of a ring need not be an ideal. For example, Z, set of integers is subring of set of rational numbers, but Z is not an ideal of Q, क्योंकि 1/2 into 3 do not belongs to Z, क्योंकि ये एलिमेंट R ਦਾ है, ये एलिमेंट Z ਨੂੰ बिलोंग करता है, क्योंकि R मस्ट बिलोंग टू I Z विच इज Z, तो हर एक सब रिंग जोड़ा है वो आइडियल नहीं होएगा. फॉर एनी रिंग R set containing only 0 element and R are ideals in R. These are ideals called improper ideals, and other ideals is called proper ideal. For example, let A and B are ideals of a commutative ring R. Then we define this is A colon B is the quotient of A by B, quotient of A by B. This is the set of the elements which belongs to R, such that RB is subset of A, where RB is a set of the types of elements RB, where B small b belongs to capital B. Show that this quotient of A by B is an ideal of R. क्योंकि this quotient रिंग जो है ये सबसैट है रिंग का, क्योंकि ए तो बी दोनों ही जोड़े है आइडियल्स ने कम्यूटेटिव रिंग के. Now 0 is equal to 0.0 belongs to A. This means for every 0 of element R and 0 of element B, 0 element of R and 0 element of B, this means 0 belongs to this quotient of A by B. Therefore this is not an empty set, यानी कि एक empty नॉन एम्प्टी सबसेट है R का. मान लो कोई दो एलिमेंट ने x ਤੇ y which belongs to this quotient A by B. There exists B and D element of B such that xb ya belongs to A. Let xb is equal to A and yd is equal to C, where A and C are elements of A. Now x minus y belongs to R and bd belongs to B. Therefore x minus y into bd is equal to x into bd minus y into bd. X from the associative property, क्योंकि कम्यूटेटिव लॉ होल्ड करता है. माइनस वाई डी बी इज इक्वल टू, क्योंकि एक्स ए इज इक्वल टू ए है, एक्स बी इज इक्वल टू ए है एंड वाई डी इज इक्वल टू सी है, तो दिस बिकम्स ए डी माइनस सी बी. क्योंकि एक आइडियल है, देयर फोर ए डी माइनस, क्योंकि ए डी तो सी बी दो इसके एलिमेंट ने, तो ए डी माइनस सी बी आल्सो बिलोंग्स टू ए. दिस मीन्स एक्स माइनस वाई बिलोंग्स टू दिस क्वोशंट A by B. Therefore this quotient ideal is a subgroup of R under the addition operation. Now for every x element of this quotient A by B and R element of ring R, suppose Rx ਅਸੀਂ consider करते हैं Rx into B which will be equal to Rxb from the associative law. Xb is equal to A, therefore this is equal to Ra. This means this Ra belongs to A, therefore Rx belongs to A, this quotient A by B. Therefore this quotient of ideals is a left ideal of R, क्योंकि R commutative है. This is also right ideal of R, hence this quotient A by B is an ideal of R. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये थोड़ा आइडियल्स बारे सीगा. नैक्सट आप नैक्सट वीडियो के कुछ होर आइडियल्स बारे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस प्रॉपर्टीज़ पढ़ांगे.